everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I have a really fun paper perk for you. We are already at paper perk number 78, and we are going to make some really fun paper doll paper clips with these things. So these are, don't mind this, my printer is terrible. I have to get a new one. I know I'm talking about it a lot, but it costs a lot of money, so I am still thinking about what to do. But never mind, yours will be fine. This is my printer bad behavior and not the printable. So I have here two ladies with little hats. I just realized now that there's a lot of fussy cutting here, so you can just skip the hats if you want, but I'm going to show you a really cool way to cut those anyway. And these are the three sort of fabric leathery look squares that we're going to use to make their dresses. And we will also have, for our Ko-fi supporters, we will have, for one-off and monthly supporters, we're going to have an exclusive video on how to make a really cool dresses with these papers. So I'm just going to cut everything and be back. Actually, I wanted to show you something about the cutting. So the women, the ladies, are actually kind of easy to cut, but I want to say something about cutting hair. So unlike this, when you cut it a straight line and you just go with your scissors like this, when it comes to hair, hair is never exactly straight, right? So when I cut hair, I always wiggle the paper like this. Wiggle and wiggle the paper. And then you see it doesn't come out with a really straight edge. It might not be exactly the hairline, but at least it's not straight. So that means that it looks better, more realistic. Another thing is the little white things in between the hands. You can leave them, but if you're like me and you're a perfectionist and you don't want them, then you just grab your craft knife and you just remove them like this with your craft knife. And then it looks better. See? Without the white, with the white. Okay? About the hats. So the hats are kind of small. If you want, you can simply cut around like this without going all the way to the line of the shape. Or what I would do is cheat. So just gonna bring it a little bit closer so you can see. So when I say cheat, I mean this part in particular. Instead of just going all the way, I'm just going to do this. And then like that. Hope you can see. I made basically what I did is I made all the feathers on the hat slightly, I took a little off. So we have the feathers, but not all of them. But that will do. For a hat, it will be fine. So I have my girls in the little hats, and I have the papers. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a little dress. So actually you can make the dress as large or as small as you want. But there is one thing that you need to do. So what you can see here is this edge, the dress is straight. So if we add like something underneath, even though if it's going to be a dress shape, it's not going to look well. So there are two ways to deal with that. Either you take your scissors and do this, wiggle again, and that will have like a layer. You know what, let's do the dress first. So what I'm doing is just roughly cutting a dress shape. Wiggle, because no dress is actually this straight, right? So we can do this. It will look better, but it will not look perfect. So what I would do is just cut. Well, we can actually do this with scissors. Just cut around her hand like this. Along the lines of her arm and her hand. And the other hand as well. So what we created is a way to insert this under their hand all the way to the waist. So now it looks a lot better, right? A lot more realistic. We can do this. We can still do this. So it's basically up to you. We can still do this. I actually kind of like that. Or we can do this. Of course, if we do this, we need to cut along the lines we need to do this. Just make sure that the end is in the waist, in her waist size. So it's up to you. I like this better. So, and of course, what we can do is we can use this dress as a template. What do I mean by template? I can cut this around. Make another identical skirt in order for me to have layers. So what we can do is we can cut this in half, or not in half, wiggle, and then we can have this and this. And you can have actually more layers, okay? So this can go here, this can be shorter, can be just like a line, something like this. So you get the idea. You can mix and match, which is what I'm going to do. So let's start assembling. So I want the dress first, all the layers of the dress to go on first. And then this side. And then we want the sides to be just evenly cut. Okay, that is pretty. So now we can attach the hand, because we're not going to put something underneath it. So I'm just going to add glue on the arm here as well, and the hand, everything. And we're going to glue our lady like this. I like this. Well, this is actually, see, the dress should be a little bit narrower here, because it's not the dress, it's the hand. Okay, so now it looks better. There's too much of an angle here. Okay, isn't she cute? Let's add a little hat. Let's add the cheating, I call it the cheating hat, the ones that we removed some of the feathers, but that's fine. I only apply glue to the bottom because we're going to attach the hat. The hat never goes on all the face, right? Just goes like this. Okay, so now we have our lady, and we can go ahead and attach the paper clip. So here is our lady. Now I have a scrap piece of paper and paper clip, so I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to fold this because I want to hide the paper clip. So and then we don't need it to be this wide. This is going to go on her back, so we need to make sure. Actually, this paper clip is way too big, so it's not too well. What we need to do is, since it's wide, we need to go all the way to the edge, and then make sure that we cut it, and then put glue like this. Then when it's dry, still white here on the edges, so I want to remove that. Okay, so now we can attach this. To the back of our lady here. we won't be able to use this. Let's say this is our page. We won't be able to use it here because our paper clip only reaches this part. So if we do this, she's going to be popping her head. Sorry, let me just take the camera. Okay, so if we do this, her head is going to pop off. So we either put it on smaller pages like this, so really pretty girl with a paper clip in her back. So this is a really cool idea. Really hope that you like it. So this is what we're making in the exclusive Ko-fi members video. So you can go ahead and become a monthly member at Ko-fi and get that exclusive as well. And this is our little paperclip lady with the dress. So thank you very much for joining me. I really hope that you liked this tutorial. Grab your ladies, your printables in the Facebook group. There is a link in the description under the video. You can go ahead and grab it. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.